Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. A great investment opportunity awaits for a large family home just 2 minutes away from the beach. This architecturally designed 3-story home is very fruitful and boasts 7 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, and sits on 32,670 square feet of land. It is located at Seaview Avenue in Trelawny. The property is totally fenced with 11 water tanks. The lower level is self-contained with a kitchen, washroom, living and dining, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a veranda. The main level is an open concept consisting of a double carport, back and front patio, 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, closets, kitchen, living and dining area, and washroom. The upper level is also an open concept with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, dining area, and office. Entertainment and family room that opens up to the balcony overlooking the Caribbean Sea. The rooftop terrace is great for entertainment and overlooks the Caribbean Sea, hotels, and neighboring communities. Come own a piece of paradise. Excellent investment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $498,000 or Jamaican $76.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.